I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start in the eBay mobile app signed into the seller account. Once there, go straight to My eBay and open Selling. You need to find the specific sold item in the list and tap it to open order details because that view shows the current shipment status. Once done, look for the shipment or tracking field and the Edit or Add Tracking button. Make sure the package isn't already marked delivered before attempting changes, since that affects what you can edit. You now tap Edit or Add Tracking on the Order Detail screen and choose the carrier from the provided list. This matters because carriers validate number formats differently. Next, type or paste the new tracking number exactly as given, double-checking for leading or trailing spaces and common transposition errors. Once entered, press Save or Update. Make sure the app confirms the change and that the selected carrier matches the number format so eBay accepts the update and notifies the buyer automatically. You finish by verifying the tracking displays correctly on the order page and that eBay sent a notification to the buyer. Once confirmed, the process is complete. If the update is rejected, make sure the number format matches the carrier's pattern and that the shipment date isn't inconsistent with a different carrier. Sometimes switching the carrier dropdown fixes it. If problems persist, contact eBay support through the app or message the buyer directly with the corrected number and proof, so you avoid claims or delays.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.